So guys, in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the example 4 training. Okay, if you don't know what is training, example 4, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. So please hit a like button, share your friends and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to all the notification bell also to never miss our future latest videos. So now, I didn't take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, like in the previous video of Django, I told you about the example 3 data. So in today's video, I am telling you about the example 4 training. So let's get started and let's learn about it like I have told you into my introduction. So let's get started. Training function. Like in this code, we are training a function. So in this syntax, okay, here you can see it. A poach defines how many iterations loops the model will do. Model.fit is the function that runs the loop. Callback number 3 is callback. It defines the callback function to call when the model wants to redraw the graphics. Test the model. When your model is trained, it is important to test and evaluate it. We do this by inspecting that the model predicts for a range of different inputs. But before we can do that, we have to unnormalize the data. Unnormalize like that. Here you can see it. Then we can look at the result, plot the result, this one, let me copy it, that, and let me go on my Replit. When I go on to my Replit, then it will be take a little bit loading, but it will be open it very easily as, then you delete it, and when you delete it, you make a REPL by the name of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and then you create a REPL. So then when you create a REPL, it take a little bit loading, but it will be open it very easily as. So now when it will be open, so then I say what is error in this code. It is not giving me any error in this code, but I am generally asking him to tell me what is error in this code, but it's not giving me error in the code. So then when what I can do, when I copy it and when I go here and when I paste it, sorry, not paste it here, paste it here, and then copy the JavaScript code and then paste this code here. Sorry, not here. Copy this code and go here and okay, now run it. So it is printing me hello world like easily as, here you can see it. So like that you can do it very easily as, here you can see it is printing me hello world. So now we can look like a result look like this, plot the result, okay. So here you can see this very small video, because in today's video there is not just very explanation, there is only some code which I am running for you, okay. Here you can see it, there is some code which I am running for you, and now when I copy that, okay, so here you can see it. So in today's, and when I say copy it, what is error in this code, it is only giving me hello world. So when I say that, so now when I run it like that, so then I copy it and then I will be paste it, then insert it, and then again copy it and then paste it, then run it. So it give me hello world, but okay. So here you can see it. So in today's video, we learn about how to example 4 training. Just we train a function and it is giving me the output also like that. And if I write here JavaScript plotly, when I run it, so it give me the output. Now it successfully give me the output. Let's see it. Okay, why it is not running? When I refresh it, now here you can see it is giving me successfully, it is giving me the output JavaScript plotly. Here you can see it by using this JavaScript code and whole thing. So here you can see it in today's video of the machine learning. I told you about the example for training, how to train the function. I have easily told you. So I hope you can enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share, friend, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And I know this very small video because in this video there is not very examples and not very explanation in it. That's why my video is very small. So sorry for that, but I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And I appreciate your support through. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole page yet, so move on to the CodeWithPk.com on my YouTube channel, so you can easily CodeWithRyan, not CodeWithPk.com on my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now I'm using next lesson, next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.